Not to mention a duck.
Huh?
What?
Who? Huh?
Ed.
Why?
Did you kiss your mother with that mouth?
Chickens!
Rolf is not amused, you... How do you say? Ducks?
Huh? I ain't touching that. Help me! Don't let the monster eat me!
Oh, that hard work.
Chickens!
What? And ruin all this frustration?
Dorks!
Yes, that is what I said.
No, you said...
Ducks! See? Ducks!
Did you kiss your mother with that mouth?
Hello, Ed boys. Many doors, yes? Too much for...
What are you? Some kind of troll or something? Help me! Don't let the monster eat me!
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.